Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at a kit by DEWALT. This is the 10-piece kit. Really nice kit if you're just getting into DEWALT. This gives you everything you need to get started on your next project. So let's take a closer look at what you get. Starting from this side, we've got the blower. Great little tool to have for cleaning up your job site, but it also can come apart just like this, and you can add on their little inflator attachment on the front, which also comes with this kit. This will allow you to inflate your inflatables like rafts, big kind of summer toys. Next, we've got a grinder. This does come with a guard and a side handle. Perfect 4.5-inch grinder with a D handle. Nice little grinder to have. You can cut metal, you can cut brick, stone, stucco, whatever you need to do. We've got a charger, the DCB112. This does 12 volt and 20 volt max batteries, and you can mount it to a wall if you want. We get the 2 starter 2 amp hour batteries with the power meter on the front. I highly recommend you get 5 amp hour batteries for this kit or something a little larger. These are great to get you going, but I think you might want a little bit more power and runtime for this kit. Now we've got an impact. This is a great impact to have. 3 LED lights on the front, 1/4-inch drive, comes with a clip. I've been using this impact for years. It's still working great. We've got a drill. This is a perfect drill to have. This is a 1/2-inch chuck with a clutch on the front to make sure that you're not over screwing or over drilling. And we've got 2 modes of speed. Fits really nicely in the hand. We have a clip as well on this thing and an LED light on the front. Next, we've got the multi-tool. Now this is a brushless tool that comes with this kit, so it's a bit of a treat. We've got the 3 modes of speed on the front, variable speed in the trigger, and the ability to change your blades really quick. This comes with a blade as well as a sander, so you're able to do all kinds of cutting, sanding, but you can also get other blades that will fit with this for cutting metal, cutting wood, sanding, chipping, all different types of bits for the multi-tool. That's why I love the multi-tool, because you can do so many different things with it. Next, we've got the reciprocating saw. This saw is great if you want to get into demolition, or if you want to just go prune some trees. This will do it. You can also cut steel with this. I've cut I-beams with this thing. It all depends on the blade that you get. So you can get a multi-blade, which will do nails and wood. You can just get a metal blade, or you can get just a wood blade. Next, we've got a flashlight, little LED light, clip on the side, little button on the front here, turns this on and off, only 2 modes. Nice rotation on the front. This will sit once you have a battery in it, so you can just shine it right up. Now we've got a little Bluetooth speaker. I pair this with my phone all the time. It's just a speaker, not a radio. So you've got volume control, you've got your Bluetooth connect, you've got the pause, you've got the power. You can also run this off of 12 volt DC right here. You've got a USB port and an auxiliary if you just want to connect straight to something. On the back, you can put your 12 volt, 20 volt batteries in here. Power all day long. Now we've got a 6.5-inch circular saw. I love the circular saws that are this size. I find that they're light, compact, easy to use, and they're going to cut through any 2x material, no problem. And lastly, for all the cleanup, after you're done using all your tools, you've got a little wet dry vac. This is a perfect little vacuum for small jobs. The battery slips in the bottom. You've got an expandable hose, so this allows you to get into small little areas. Even if you want to clean your car, it's a perfect little vacuum. The bottom clips off. You've got a filter inside. Make sure you take the filter out when you're vacuuming up any kind of wet material. You don't want to get that filter wet, so make sure you pull it out. Then you've got the front here, so it's easy to clean up carpet, hard surfaces. Great little vacuum to have. All right, guys, overall, I love this kit. I think it's great if you're just getting into DEWALT, or even if you want to expand your DEWALT system. This is such a nice, well-rounded kit to have. All right, guys, hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.